Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little showcase of my current go-to one and done eyeshadow. For some reason, because of the weather, I just haven't been that into full-blown eyeshadow looks or sitting down and spending the time on doing ages on my eyeshadow. Don't know if it's just because I'm going a bit lighter on my skin, so really heavy eyeshadow look just isn't going with my vibe at the moment. It might be a summer thing. And I didn't really have a one and done eyeshadow until I saw this I was in Fenwick. I've never been in Fenwick before, but they had a Charlotte Tilbury stand and I saw this beauty in there and I fell in love and knew I had to buy it instantly. And this is all I've been wearing on my eyes since. It is beautiful. So I had to do a whole video dedicated to this because I am in love with it. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerise like cream shadow pot in Exagger-Eyes, and I have a feeling it's a limited edition shade. I don't know if it's going to be a main line, it's a new edition, I'm not sure. But that's kind of what the stand said. This sort of formula has been around for a bit and people talk about it all the time, people love it. Personally, I haven't been so drawn to a shade yet to buy it and spend that much money on just that one shade. I didn't think I'd get enough wear out of it. Then I saw this. So here it is in the pot. It's really hard to describe, so I'll give you a swatch. Yeah, it's sort of like a creamy, moussey formula. And here's the shade. I'd say it's a very much neutral, super shimmery, sort of a cool toned reflect. Blend it out more and more. So like here it is, perfect sort of neutral shade for me. It looks not too done up, looks just the perfect amount for multiple occasions. It's already sort of drying down a bit into more of a powder consistency, which is really nice, means it doesn't crease. Oh, that shine is beautiful. Oh, I'm in love with it. And it has these sort of shimmery pigments in it that just catch the light beautifully, and it is the perfect eyeshadow for sort of out in the sun, but also date nights, maybe summery date nights, holiday nights, where you just kind of get that sparkle on your eye and it is beautiful. I've done the rest of my makeup, as you can tell. I haven't been going too over the top recently. I haven't done my eyes because I wanted to showcase this stunning eyeshadow. So you could go in with your finger like that. Just see, look how beautiful that is. Oh, I'm just in love with it. I am in love with it. You could go in with your finger, but I find my finger's sort of too big and I get a bit messy because it is glittery. I do want to not get glitter everywhere all over my eye. I've been taking sort of like a flat, fluffy brush and just picking up a little bit of the product. Let me zoom you in. And just sort of patting it onto my main eyelid, like so. That sort of packing motion builds up the main sort of pigmentation where I want it. And as it is sort of a cream to powder finish, I just take the sort of fluffy brush and do tiny circles on the edges. Like I said, I don't want to blend it too high because otherwise it's very easy to get in a mess, I've noticed. But it is smooth, so quick and easy. I feel like I've done it, like it's done. It blends just seamlessly. It looks so natural, and you can always just take any excess on the brush, just run it under the eye. But it is the perfect neutral shade for me where it adds a little bit of something. It just makes my look. I'm so in love with it. It's just so quick to apply, which is what I'm just so impressed about. Like if you're someone that puts bronzer on your eyelids for like an everyday look, this is the perfect sort of step up if you want to, you know, amp up your look a little bit more, because it's the same sort of effort. It just adds the glitter and the elegance, I find. And I barely use anything when I do it. I only dip in that one time and I find it's enough to sort of cover my whole eyelid. I feel like it will last me forever. So this is how it looks on my eyes. I think it's a really nice neutral shade and I think it complements my skin tone and eye colour really nicely. And it's just shimmery and beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put some mascara on. I'm gonna put the Bite Beauty Upswing on. It's a bit clumpy. All my mascaras have gone a bit weird. I don't know if it's because of the heat wave we just had and it's like melted them and then made them dry back up. All my mascaras have just gone weird, like their formula, not what it was. They're not even that old. Okay, I'm not that impressed with my mascara, but here is the look. Oh, divine. There's a little close up Oh, it's just such a stunning shade. Oh, I can't rave about it enough. But yeah, that is really all for the video. It wasn't gonna be very long because I was just talking about one product, but it has been my absolutely favorite product at the moment. And if there is any one and done eyeshadow I would recommend you buy at the moment, it's this, especially as it's limited edition. Oh, it's so nice. It is so nice. And I do really like the formula. So maybe if this shade doesn't spark your interest, do check out the other shades because I really like this formula and it has been playing very nicely with me. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like and maybe leave a comment down below about what your favorite one and done eyeshadow is, because this has just sparked my hype, because this is only the beginning for me. I have never really delved into a one and done eyeshadow, and there's a whole load of colors and textures that I could play with. So down below, tell me what your favorite product and shade is, because I'm very interested in checking some more out. Do subscribe if you want to see some more of me, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye.